All right, so I bought a Tacoma bumper off Amazon, modified it to fit my 4RUNNER. I have an 04 4RUNNER, so my blinker originally was in the bumper. So once I removed that bumper, all I had was this socket, this bulb hanging. So I went on Amazon and found some fog lights that have a ring that's amber with 2 leads to it. So I'm going to attempt to wire up these 2 wires right here. You can see right there, to the ring around the fog light to act as a blinker. So I just got some connectors. The fog lights came with a male connector, so I got some female connectors right there. Plugged them onto these wires. There's like a red wire with yellow stripe and then a white wire with a black stripe. I didn't know which one was which, but I ended up guessing first try which one was going to work. So it looks like that red one with the yellow stripe, the one I'm messing with right there, that's the one that controls the blinker. And then the other wire controls just a constant for the running light. So, ideally when I wire it up and the truck's on, it'll have just a glowing amber ring around the fog light, and then when I activate the blinker, it'll flash. So we'll see if it's going to work. And moment of truth, there it is. It's hyper flashing because I don't have a resistor. I'll get that down the road. But that was the blinker on, and that's the running light. So on to the next side, same process. Here it is. That's running lights. That's with just the truck started with no lights on. It'll constantly stay like that. And then once you activate the blinkers, it'll flash, as you'll see right here. So that's left blinker on. And that's hazards. That's how it's supposed to blink. You don't want it hyper flashing like it is right now, so you got to get some resistors. But that's fog lights on with hazards. It came out really clean. These are some like $40 Amazon fog lights. I'm super stoked how they came out. Pretty bright. Thanks.